Hello Vivekians, how are you all? A very refreshing welcome to you all in today's English class. I hope you all are in great health and enjoying the School from Home program. In your last session, you had studied about nouns. I hope the concept of noun is clear to you all. Let's have a quick recap. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. The naming words are also called nouns. Noun को हम संज्ञा भी कहते हैं. हिंदी में संज्ञा आप पढ़ चुके हैं. So, I hope this topic is clear to you all. As you read in the last session, the names of particular person, places, animals or things, and the names of common places, persons, animals or things. All these are nouns. Today we will study more about it. So, the objective of today's class is to differentiate between the common and proper nouns. So everybody, open your book at page number 19 and put today's date. Let's discuss some common and proper nouns. Have a look at this sentence. This is a boy. His name is Rohit. Here, boy and Rohit are both nouns. But boy is the general name for all the boys. So, it is a common noun. But Rohit is a special name of a particular boy. So, it is a proper noun. Boy word से हम सारे boys को denote कर सकते हैं. It can be used for all the boys. But Rohit represents a particular boy's name. Rohit एक particular boy का name है. So, it is a proper noun. We can say that common nouns are the names given in common to all the people, places, animals and things of the same kind. And proper nouns are the names of particular people, places, animals or things. Common nouns वो names होते हैं जो हम किसी भी people, place, animal और thing के लिए commonly use करते हैं, जो same kind के होते हैं. But proper nouns वो names होते हैं जो हम किसी भी person, place, animal और thing के लिए specific use करते हैं, particularly use करते हैं. Okay, tell me, what do you think? Are these common or proper? Boy, Madhav. Out of these two words, which one is common noun and which one is proper noun? Very good. Madhav is proper noun and boy is common noun. Very good. Come to next example then. Woman and Komal. Woman is a common noun and Komal is a proper noun. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now tell me another question. Mother and Seema. Which one is common noun and which one is proper noun? Oh, great! Correct answer. Mother is the common noun and Seema is the proper noun. Now I think the concept is clear. In the same way, son, uncle and doctor are common nouns. Whereas Mrs. Patil, Mr. Menon, Rahim, these are the proper nouns, as these are the specific names given to a particular person. Okay, let's take another example. A word like city is a common noun because it is a common name to all the cities. The word city, ये एक common noun है क्योंकि हम सारी cities के लिए same word use करते हैं city. It can be any city. But when we speak about Nagpur, Yamunanagar, then these are proper nouns. Why? Because these are the specific names for the cities. Nagpur is a special name given to a city. Yamunanagar is a particular name given to a city. So these are names of a particular cities. So these are proper nouns. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, tell me children, country. Have you heard the word country? आपने सुना है ये वर्ड? अच्छा, अब आप मुझे ये बताइए कि ये वर्ड कॉमन नाउन है या प्रॉपर नाउन है? अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. Country is a common noun. Why? Because we use the same word for all the countries. And if I ask you India, China, America, Japan, then what will be your answer? Very good. All these are proper nouns. Why? Because these are the specific names of the countries. ये जो names हैं वो countries के specific names हैं. उनसे उन countries की identity है. So these are proper nouns. Now I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Okay, I'll ask you a question now. Do you have pet animals at your home? क्या आपके घर में पेट एनिमल्स हैं? हाँ, कुछ लोगों के घर में तो जरूर होंगे. लाइक द पेट डॉग, पेट कैट, और किसी किसी के घर में तो पैरट भी हो सकता है. तो आप इन सब को, कैट, डॉग, पैरट को क्या बोलेंगे? ये कॉमन नाउन है या प्रॉपर नाउन है? Exactly, these are the common nouns. Because there can be any cat, it can be any dog, it can be any parrot. They don't have special names. But when you give a special name to your pet, like your dog's name is Jimmy, Tommy and Kitty, so they become proper noun. जब हम इनको कोई नेम दे देते हैं, स्पेशल नेम्स दे देते हैं, तो ये क्या बन जाते हैं? ये प्रॉपर नाउन्स बन जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि अब इनका एक प्रॉपर नेम है, एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक नेम है. सो द वर्ड्स विच हैव अ पर्टिकुलर नेम और अ स्पेसिफिक नेम, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द प्रॉपर नाउन्स, एंड द वर्ड्स विच आर जनरल, कॉमन, दोज आर कॉल्ड कॉमन नाउन. ऑलराइट? And very important, all the proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Alright? So you will start all the proper nouns with the capital letter. Okay, here are some more examples to understand. There is a box given in which two columns are there. First column is of common noun and second column is of proper noun. The first word is festival. It is a common noun. And the word Holi, Christmas, Eid, Guru Parab. These are proper nouns. Do you know why? I'll tell you. There are many festivals celebrated in India. India में बहुत सारे festivals celebrate किए जाते हैं. So the word festival is common for all the festival. So it is a common noun. But when we talk about a Holi, is the festival of colors. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. Eid, Guru Parab. So these are the specific names given to festival. So these are proper noun. Next is month. When we talk about a word month, it is a common noun because there are 12 months in a year. So we use the same word month for every month. But when we talk about January, February, April, December, when we talk about a specific name, then it is a proper noun. The next word is day. When we talk about the word day, it is a common noun. But जब हम बात करते हैं Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, तो आप किसी पर्टिकुलर डे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन्स. इन द सेम वे, लैंग्वेज, द वर्ड लैंग्वेज इज अ कॉमन नाउन बिकॉज देर आर मेनी लैंग्वेजेस इन इंडिया. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, फ्रेंच, so these are proper nouns because these are specific languages we are talking about. English is a global language. Which language is global? English. So we are talking about a particular language. I am learning French nowadays. Which language I am learning nowadays? I am learning French. So I am talking about a particular language. Next is monument. The word monument is a common noun because there are many beautiful monuments in India. इंडिया में बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं. मॉन्यूमेंट मीन्स अ बिल्डिंग, हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग. तो बहुत सारी ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, बट हमें ये नहीं पता हम पर्टिकुलर किसके बारे में बात करें. सो इट इज़ अ कॉमन वर्ड फॉर ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल मॉन्यूमेंट्स. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द रेड फोर्ट इज इन दिल्ली, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट the particular red fort. The Taj Mahal, when I talk about the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So here the name of a particular monument is there. So Taj Mahal is a proper noun. In the same way, the other examples are also given. You can see in this box and read. So this will give you more clarity about the concept. Now I hope this topic is clear to all of you. This is all for today, and now it's the time for home assignment. You have to do Let's Try 6 and 7 in the course book and My Turn 4 and 5 in the practice book very carefully and neatly. Read page number 19 and 20 again and again for more clarity. When you'll do a lot of practice, you'll be able to do this work yourself. It's not so difficult. Nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is possible if you do a lot of practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So try to be independent. Do your work yourself. Only your parents' assistance is required. Rest of the work you'll do yourself. Alright? So this is all for today. Stay safe. Stay home. Thanks a lot. Miss you all.